Welcome to Manheim Imports. Today we have for you a 2018 BMW M550i xDrive. We've had a lot of folks inquiring on this one from out of state, so I just wanted to do a walk around video for condition. As you can see, the wheels, phenomenal condition. Okay, now I'm just gonna do some close-ups. I mean, it looks like a couple very tiny pinprick chips on the hood here. Nothing major, not seeing any large scratches, no large chips. Don't know if you're picking it up, but there's also some very minor ones on the front bumper. I mean, that is just all typical stuff from being driven. The car only has 20,000, just over 20,000 miles on it. But otherwise, no scratches, no gouges, no large chips. Very tiny chip there. Mirrors look really good. Just trying to see if there's anything to point out here. Rear bumper looks excellent. Looks like there's a very thin scratch on there. Might be able to hit that with a buffer. Another very light one there. Deck lid looks great, not seeing anything to point out. Very small chip right there. Overall, this car looks amazing. Just some tiny pinprick chips on the front bumper and on the hood, and you can barely even see them, and really got to look close. Inside, everything looks immaculate. You don't even have really bad wear like you sometimes get on the side bolsters there. Back seats are looking like they weren't even sat in. No major wear on the steering wheel. Now, my personal motto is any car that's been driven on the road is never perfect, but I would give this one 9.5 to 9.7 out of 10.